Hello, little hearts. Come closer. Grandma has a story for you.
The Golden Bird. In a big green forest there lived a shiny golden bird who loved to sing songs. Every morning she chirped cheerful tunes that made the flowers dance. Her voice was sweet, even butterflies paused to listen. When she sang, tiny shiny pearls popped out of her beak. One day, a birdcatcher laid his net in the jungle, and sadly, the shiny golden bird got trapped inside. The birdcatcher took her home and placed her in a cage made of gold, feeding her sweet grains and fruits, hoping she would sing again. But the golden bird felt sad inside the cage. She missed flying free and did not sing anymore. The hunter waited, but no pearls came. With pride in his eyes, the birdcatcher offered the magical golden bird to the king, who admired its beauty. The king handed the golden bird to the princess, hoping it would make her smile. The princess was lovely to look at, but even more beautiful was her kind and caring heart. Without waiting, the princess opened the cage and the golden bird fluttered out with joy. The golden bird sang with all in her heart, and before long, sparkling pearls began to fall like stars, filling the princess' chamber with wonder. From that day on, the golden bird flew to the princess's window each morning and sang her the sweetest songs. True happiness comes from freedom, not from golden cages.